Do you want to learn how to turn off the closed captioning on your YouTube videos? In this short tutorial, I will show you exactly what to do, step by step. In just a few taps, you can be watching your favorite videos without any annoying captions getting in the way. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the YouTube mobile app. For the purpose of this video, let's play this YouTube video. So, as you can see, this is the closed captions icon. If I tap on it once, it will enable subtitles or CC for this video. If you want to turn off subtitles or closed captions, simply tap on that icon once. As you can see, it is now disabled. You can also tap the gear icon at the top right corner of the video, and you'll see an option called Captions. You can tap on it and select off to turn off captions. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.